past tense. In this past tense, first one is simple past tense. Simple past tense is used for completed actions, already happened actions in past. The structure is subject plus V2 plus object. Generally we use last month, last year, last week, yesterday. They are common adverbs. And for example, I was a doctor. I was a doctor. That means I am a doctor means at present I am a doctor. I was a doctor means I was a doctor in past, but at present I am not a doctor. Okay. I is subject, was V2, doctor, object. He was my friend. I went to temple yesterday. Okay. So these are the examples, and let us discuss more. Let us take an example. They wrote this book last year. They wrote this book last year. This is affirmative. To frame negative, we need an auxiliary verb, but wrote is ordinary verb. So no problem, we can divide it into did plus write. Okay, again you should not write wrote, but it is right. Did plus write. So add not to this did. They did not write this book last year. Okay, we have added not to this did. They did not write this book last year. Okay, affirmative first type. Did they? We just brought this auxiliary verb before this subject. Did they write this book last year? Second type, when did they write this book? When did they write this book? Okay, so to frame, to ask any question, to answer any question, you have to know affirmative, negative, interrogative. This is very, very important. When did they write this book? So this is all about simple past tense. We are moving to past continuous tense. Happening actions in past. Structure would be subject plus be form. Was, were. They are past be forms plus V1 inform plus object. Okay, generally we use at that time, by the time, etc. For example, at that time I was going to Mumbai. At that time I was going to Mumbai. Here I is subject, was going is be form plus V1 inform to Mumbai. This is how you can frame past continuous, and let us discuss more. Past continuous. She was cooking in kitchen by the time I went there. Okay, this is affirmative. Negative. She was not cooking in the kitchen by the time I went there. Negative. Interrogative. Just bring this before she. Was she cooking in kitchen? Was she cooking? Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. And second type of questions, what was she cooking? Or what was she doing? Where was she? Cooking. So that's all about past continuous. Let us move to past perfect. This is used to tell first completed action of two past actions. That means there are two past actions. Past perfect is used by using past perfect tense. We can say what is first completed out of two past actions. Okay. Structure is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Always use third form of the verb after have, has, had. Next, generally we use when, while, after, before these words in this tense. Okay, this is very famous example. The train had already left the station before I reached there. Okay, let me explain this. Past perfect. The train had left the platform before I reached the station. Okay. So here if you observe there are two sentences. The train had left the platform. Up to here this is a sentence, and I reached the station, this is second sentence. This is first sentence and this is second sentence. So out of these two sentences, these two actions, which action has completed first? Okay, this sentence, the train had left, in which we have used past perfect tense, that is completed first, and another sentence is second completed action. In this sentence we have used subject plus V2, that means simple past tense, but here is past perfect tense. So this is first completed action. The train had left the platform before I reached the station, that means before reaching there the train already left the platform, that means I missed the train here. I missed the train. Okay, let us take another example like this. The train left the platform after I had reached there. The train left the platform, this is first sentence, first action. I had reached, this is second sentence. Actually this is a past action and this is another past action. Which sentence or which action has completed first? In this sentence we have used simple past, and in this sentence we have used past perfect. So this sentence or this action has completed first and this has happened next. That means I had already reached there first before the train left the station. Means the train left the platform after I had reached. That means I did not miss train here. Okay, so since this sentence is used in past perfect, this sentence happened first. After that this action happened first. After that this action happened. Okay, so like we have discussed before previously, you can add negative, that means the train had not left. Interrogative, had the train left, okay, etc. By using previous tricks you can frame these questions. And now we are going to discuss about past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, we discuss how long an action has been happening in past perfect continuous tense. Okay, subject plus had been plus v1 inform plus object. Okay, since and for are common, and this is an example. I had been working in that office for 4 years before I resigned. That means by the time resigning I have completed 4 years. Okay, by the time I resigned from the job I have completed 4 years in that office. After completing 4 years I have resigned. Okay, let us take another best example. Sachin Tendulkar had been playing cricket for 24 years when he retired in 2013. Okay, this is the best example for past perfect continuous tense. Sachin Tendulkar subject had been playing cricket successfully for 24 years. Okay, by the time he retired in 2013, he already have been playing 24 years of cricket. Okay, so that is the meaning of this past perfect continuous tense. Okay, when he retired in 2013, he had been playing 24 years of cricket. After playing 24 years of successful cricket, he retired in 2013. That is the meaning. And you can frame negative, interrogative as usual. Okay.